Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Proform treadmill. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. So all you have to do is to simply turn the power off and unfold the paper clip and push the long end into the reset hole on the right side of the console. Now press the paper clip against the reset button as the second person turns the power back on. Now wait the console to boot back up before removing the paper clip. So you need to follow these steps in order to reset your Proform treadmill. And if you want to know how long does it take for your treadmill to get reset, so you just have to wait for up to 30 minutes for the exercise machine to complete a full factory reset. You need to keep an eye on the console to see when the reset has been completed. So if you have to perform a factory reset multiple times or it doesn't complete, then you can even contact to the customer support. And in case you want to contact the customer support, you just have to simply come to proform.com, and here you can just click on this option that is saying chat with an expert. So here you just have to type your question or your message in this section, and the it is going to assign an agent to you, to whom you can directly talk and ask for the options of reset for your Proform treadmill. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.